Hey guys, so this is my Lego tow truck MOC, and in today's video I'm going to talk you through the design and the features of this truck. Alright, so let's start the front here. So as you can see, got your headlights, extra headlights here, your indicators, your grille, and you've also got some horns on the roof just there. Moving along the side, you can see you got your mirror, your two big exhaust pipes on either side, your light bar, your gear here, which can be used to retract the hook, which I'll demonstrate a bit later. You've also got some extra lights along here, and got your big hook here. Moving along the back, you can see you've got your two rear lights, and you've also got this thing here, which can be used to attach the towed car in place just like that. Alright, now we come on to the hook. So as you can see, this hook is locked in place just like that. If you want to unlock it, just take it off and use the gear which I showed you earlier to retract it. Just like that. Okay, now we come on to the interior of this tow truck. So if I open up the doors, you can now see the full interior of this truck. So you got your steering wheel, just there. Got your dashboard. Got your seats. And we've also got a little mirror up there. Alright, now we come on to the engine. So all you do is just open this up, and you can now see the engine of the truck. Alright, now we come on to what this truck is made for, which is towing a car. So all you do is you take this down, you put the hook up. I forgot to say this is adjustable. Get the towed car, put it there, open its bonnet, and all you do is you get the hook, attach it in there, and now you can see the car is ready to be towed away. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this Lego tow truck MOC. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.